Namaste. In this shloka, we are showing our gratitude towards the food, to the food that we eat every day, to the crop and to the one who has given that meals for the day. So whoever provides us the food, we feel them as a God because every food has a value. The food has a great impact on our life, right? So because of this, we always say never waste your food. So do not waste the food. The food has a great impact in our life. It has a more significant value in our life. You should never waste the food. Here is the mantra that we chant and we show our gratitude to the food. So this is the shloka that you have to chant before having the food. Every time. Every time before having the food, please do chant this shloka. Right? So we'll start. So the goddesses that we believe that goddesses for the food is Annapurna. Anna means is a food. So the goddesses who is providing us the food. So we are showing our gratitude to the goddesses or Annapurna. Here is the shloka. We'll start learning the shloka. Annapurne, Annapurne. Repeat it 3 to 5 times. Annapurne, Annapurne. Yes. Sada Purne, Sada Purne, Sada Purne. We'll put it together. Annapurne, Sada Purne, Annapurne, Sada Purne. Repeat 3 to 5 times. So be very clear with the pronunciation. Annapurne, Sada Purne. Shankara, Shankara, Prana, Prana, Na. Please make sure the tongue has to touch upper portion of the mouth. Even Annapurne, Sadapurne, even there also your tongue has to touch upper portion of the mouth. Annapurne, it's not Annapurne, ne, no, it's ne, Annapurne, Annapurne. Anna, Anna, the na has to touch the tongue has to touch your teeth while pronouncing Anna. Purne, na. Sada Purne. Shankara, Prana, Vallabhe. Stress the bha. Vallabhe. Annapurne, Sada Purne, Shankara, Prana, Vallabhe. Right? So we'll repeat 2 to 3 times. Annapurne, Sada Purne, Shankara, Prana, Vallabhe. Annapurne, Sada Purne, Shankara, Prana, Vallabhe. We'll go for the next one. If you are ready, you go for the next one. If you are not, please keep repeating this. Annapurne, Sada Purne, Shankara, Prana, Vallabhe. We'll go for next one. Jnana, Jna. Please listen to the pronunciation. Jnana, Jnana. Jnana is a knowledge. Jnana, Vairagya, Vairagya. Jnana Vairagya, Jnana Vairagya, Jnana Vairagya. Please repeat 3 to 5 times. Be very comfortable with the pronunciation and the letters. Siddhartham, Siddhartham, Siddhartham. Both the letters has a stress. Siddhartham, Siddhartham, Siddhartham. Jnana Vairagya Siddhartham, Jnana Vairagya Siddhartham, Jnana Vairagya Siddhartham. Wonderful. Repeat 3 to 5 times. So we'll repeat. Annapurne, Sada Purne, Shankara, Prana, Vallabhe, Jnana Vairagya Siddhartham, Bhikshan, Bhi, Mahaprana Bha, stress the letter Dha, Bha, Bhikshan, Dehicha, Dehicha, Parvati, Parvati, Bhikshan, Dehicha, Parvati. So I'm just begging the God for the food. I'm praying her for the food. Bhikshan dehi cha Parvati. Bhikshan dehi cha Parvati. Fine, we'll repeat. Annapurne Sadapurne Shankara Pranavallabhe Jnana Vairagya Siddhyartham Bhikshan Dehi Cha Parvati. Fine? We'll try to put the tune and we'll do it very slowly. Annapurne Sadapurne Shankara Pranavallabhe Jnana Vairagya Siddhyartham Bhikshan Dehi Cha Parvati. Wonderful. Very good. If you are ready here, if you are not, please repeat once again. Go back, rewind and repeat. You can say along with me. If you are ready with this, we'll increase the speed gradually. Annapurne Sadapurne Shankara Pranavallabhe Jnana Vairagya Siddhyartham Bhiksha Dehi Cha Parvati. Wonderful. We'll say a little faster. Annapurne Sadapurne Shankara Pranavallabhe Jnana Vairagya Siddhyartham Bhiksha Dehi Cha Parvati. Wonderful. We'll say it louder. We'll go a little slow and loud. Annapurne Sadapurne Shankara Pranavallabhe Jnana Vairagya Siddhyartham Bhiksha Dehi Cha Parvati. So this is the shloka that we chant, where we show the gratitude to the food, to the goddesses Annapurna. It is believed that Annapurna is a wife of Lord Shiva, Lord Shankara. Fine. So this is a shloka for the food. Please practice this and remember, this is the shloka that you need to chant before having your food. Okay. So we'll see one more shloka in the next. But before practicing, until and unless if you won't practice, please don't go for the next shloka. Please make sure that you practice this shloka before going for the next shloka. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope you are practicing. Any feedback, please do leave me your feedback, and your feedback is very much appreciated and I'll take it with heartily. Thank you.